Hi, I'm Ramazan. Today we'll cover one of the important topics which you'll always use in the projects, APIs and even configs. Today you'll learn what is JSON, how it differs from XML, and also I'll show you how to parse JSON object in real project example in Swift. Let's say that his name is John, surname Doyle, and age 25, and he's male. In the next few minutes, we're also gonna add some colleague information to that JSON object, so stay tuned. So what is JSON? JSON is a short for JavaScript object notation and is a way to store information in an organized, easy to access manner. In a nutshell, it gives us a human readable collection of data that we can access in a really logical manner. The two primary parts that make up JSON are keys and values. Key is always a string enclosed in quotation marks. Value can be a string, number, boolean expression, array, or object. A key-value pair follows a specific syntax, with the key followed by a colon followed by the value, and they are comma separated. If we want to store our JSON object into a variable and access it through model in Swift, we firstly have to create struct or class for that model. In our case it is struct, and in order to be able to decode JSON data, we have to inherit from decodable protocol. It is a type that can decode itself from an external representation. If we want to also be able to send data to server, we have to inherit encodable. If you need both, then use codable protocol. Let's write code for decoding data. Because it can throw an error in case if parsing fails, we have to write it inside do catch, or you can write it inside function which can throw error. There is JSON decoder class. Use its decode function which takes as an input our model to decode into and provide our JSON data. We get parsing failed error, which means that we have to check our model parameter namings because it takes as their key as their naming if you do not explicitly write their key for every parameter. Then you may check if you get null values from JSON object or not, meaning that if values for certain keys are required. If it is, then you have to add question marks which denotes that this parameter is not required, and needs check if it is null or not. As I said, we are going to add colleague parameter into our JSON object, which is also object which consists of parameters like ID, name, faculty, GPA, and grade. We have to create its model too in order to be able to decode this object. Do not forget to write commas when you are separating parameters. Now I'll show you how I used it in order to fetch movie list from TMDB server in my real project. I'm planning on making coronavirus UI site to show you how to work properly with constraints and other UI kit stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of these tutorials. Bye!